Question number 6. A circular park of radius 20 meter. Here we have a circular park with radius 20 meter. O is the center, OS is the radius, so it is 20 meter. It's situated in a colony. 3 boys, Ankur, Syed and David. So we will represent their names with initial. A for Ankur, Syed for S and D for David. They are sitting at equal distances on its boundary. They are sitting at equal distances A, S and D on the boundary of the circle, each having a toy telephone in his hand to talk each other. They have toy telephone to talk each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. We have to find string of each telephone. So we'll write Ankur, Syed and David are sitting at A, S and D such that AS is equal to SD is equal to AD. Why the distance between them will be equal? Because it is already given that they are sitting at equal distances. As we have said that AS is equal to SD is equal to AD, which means all sides are equal for triangle ASD, and a triangle with all sides equal is called equilateral triangle. If we take that each side of triangle, if this equilateral triangle is 2x meter, so we'll write let the length of each side of the equilateral triangle be 2x meter. And then we draw AM perpendicular to SD. So we have written, let us draw AM perpendicular to SD. As AM is perpendicular to SD, it makes 90-degree angle. Now refer to triangle ASM. As this is right angle, here we can apply Pythagoras theorem. What it will be for triangle ASM? It will be AM square plus SM square is equal to AS square. So let us put the values. Value of AM we do not have, so we'll write AM square plus SM square. Now how will we find SM square? Each side of the triangle is 2x meter, right? So here SD will be 2x meter. Now SD is 2x meter. If we want to find SM, how will we find? SM is what? Half of SD. Why is it so? Because this is perpendicular which bisects the chord. So SM will be equal to MD is equal to half of SD. So here SM is equal to half of SD and SD is what? 2x. 2 cancel. So SM is what? X meter. So here value of SM will write as x square. AS is what? The side of triangle, and AS, SD and AD are same and they are of what? 2x. So here we'll write 2x square. Remember that all sides of this triangle are of 2x. AM square will be equal to 2x square. This x square will go this side, it will become minus x square. AM square is equal to 2x square is what? 4x square minus x square is x square. Therefore, AM square is equal to 4 minus 1, 3x square. Now we want AM. AM will be what? Square root of 3x square. Therefore, AM is equal to square root 3, and square root of x square is what? I am sure you all know. Square root of x square is x. Do not make mistakes, students. Here square root of 3 and square root of x square will be x. So this x is out of square root. Please make sure while writing x is out of square root. So keep little space and then write x. So am is square root 3 x. Okay. Now what will be value of OM? We have value of AM. Do we have value of OA? Of course yes, because it is what? It is a radius. OA is radius. So again it is 20 meter. So we have value of AM, that is square root 3x. We have value of OA, that is 20 meter. Can we find OM? Yes. How? AM minus OA. So here we will write OM is equal to AM minus OA. AM we have is root 3x minus OA is what? 20 meter, right? So how will we write this? We'll write as root 3x minus 20 meter. This is what? OM, value of OM. Now let us refer to triangle OSM. This triangle OSM. Now again this is a right angle. So for this, if we apply Pythagoras theorem for triangle OSM, then it will be OM square plus SM square is equal to OS square. Now see, OS is a radius, it is 20 meter. We got value of OM, just now we got it, root 3x minus 20. Can we find SM? Yes, let us find. We have already taken value of SM as x. Here it is. So we will put this value of SM. In triangle OSM, OM square plus SM square is equal to OS square. Let us put all the values. OM square is root 3x minus 20 whole square plus SM is x. So x square is equal to OS square. OS is a radius, so it is what? 20 square. Let us simplify. Root 3x minus 20 whole square. So it is a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here we have a as root 3x and b as 20. So how to simplify these terms? Let's write a square. What does that mean? Root 3x square. Then minus 2ab. 2 into a is root 3x, b is 20 and plus b square. B square is what? It is 20 square. So this is the simplification of this term. Plus x square we already have. X square is x square and 20 square is what? 400. So we'll write 400. Root 3x square. So root 3 square is what? 3. X square is x square. So root 3x square is 3x square minus 2 into root 3 into 20. This is irrational number. So 2 multiplied with 20 is 40 and root 3 multiplied with x. So 40 root 3x plus 20 square 400 plus this is x square is equal to 400. On the both sides we have 400. It will be cancelled. So we are left with x square, 3x square and x square. This term and this term. 3 plus 1. Both are like terms. X square is there. So 3 plus 1 is what? 4x square. Look at this. 3x square plus x square. 4x square minus 40 root 3x is equal to, what do we have here? 0. What is common in both the terms? 4 and x. So we'll take 4x common. What we are left with? If we take 4x from here, x will be left minus 10 root 3 is equal to 0. Okay, 4x we are taking common. So from first term if we take 4x, x will be left. 40 divided by 4 is 10. So if we take 4 common from this, we are left with 10 root 3. X we have taken common. So 4x in bracket x minus 10 root 3 is equal to 0. What does this mean? If we remove 4x from here, it will go in denominator. So it will become 0. So x minus 10 root 3 is equal to 0. We want x value, so this 10 root 3 will go on right hand side. Here it was minus, so when it goes this side it becomes plus. X is equal to 10 root 3 and the unit is meter. Recall that we have taken Sm is equal to x. We got x value as 10 root 3 meter, so Sm will become 10 root 3 meter. Now let us refer back. Sm is x. Sd is what? 2x. So we'll write Sd is equal to 2x. 2 into 10 root 3. 2 into 10, 20 root 3. Therefore, Sd is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Here also students, meter is unit. So keep little space between the digits and the unit. Okay, so that is it can be differentiated easily. We got SD as 20 root 3 meter. We are asked to find the length of the string of each phone. These persons, they are having phone in their hand. So we have to find length of each phone. What it will be? The distance between them. So SD, and this is an equilateral triangle. So distance between all this will be same. We have already written AS is equal to SD is equal to AD. So, and this much only will be the length of the phone. How much distance is there between them? So SD is 20 root 3. So AS and AD will also be 20 root 3. So the length of string of each phone will be 20 root 3. Answer will write, therefore the length of the string of each phone is 20 root 3 meter. This is question number 6.